I've got a secret for you. You've probably heard of an Amaretto Sour, and I know you've heard of Disaronno, probably the world's most famous Amaretto. Now you can have a Disaronno Sour in RTD. This cocktail balances the deep richness of the Disaronno with the juicy lift of lemon. Now this is a deliciously quenching yet complex and sophisticated tasting drink. It comes with a story too. The recipe for Disaronno is a closely guarded secret that dates back to the Renaissance. In 1525, an artist who was a pupil of Leonardo da Vinci was commissioned to paint a fresco in Saronno. For his muse, he chose a beautiful local innkeeper. To thank him, she prepared a special gift. A flask full of amber liqueur, fragrant and delicate, a handmade concoction of secret ingredients. In 1600, when many families would distill their own liqueurs, one family found a recipe and passed the secret formula down through the generations until the 20th century, when they decided to bottle and sell it. So let's taste. Classic color, you've got the amber hue from the Disaronno, and it's also, you'll notice the effervescence in the glass. This is slightly bubbly, which just ratchets up the refreshment factor and makes it fun to drink. You serve it on ice and it's fabulous. So on the nose, classic. It smells, all of that charm you get from Disaronno, which is the almond and cherry and the apricot, dried apricot, and the orange rind and orange zest. It's all there along with lemon squirt charm. And it smells refreshing. And then on the palate, lip smacking, mouth watering, fun to drink without compromising the sophistication. The sophistication comes from the complexity because Disaronno is so complex. It goes on and on, cascading with all sorts of nuances. I mentioned a few a moment ago, which you found on the nose, or I found on the nose, but there's more to it too. There's sort of like toffee on the finish. I'm getting sort of toffee and orange zest, as well as, there's a little bit of cocoa or dark chocolate there too, which is interesting. So much going on. Baking spice, a touch of clove, some nutmeg, some dried fig, some date. It goes on and on. There's so much to offer. I love that because it makes this a very serious tasting drink without compromising the fun factor. And it lingers too on the finish. But what's best is it comes with a story of a secret formula. So you can keep that in your back pocket when you're serving this and just have fun with it. And that is what I wanted to talk about.